Hello and welcome to my channel, and in this video I will tell you about the amazing platform Binance and one product in specific, Binance Options. So what it is, how to actually use it, how you can actually become part of it, and about one super nice referral benefits for Binance affiliates. You need to stay tuned because I will tell you how you can use it for your own benefit. And all the links are already below this video. Check them out right away. So what are the features and the benefits of Binance Options? So that is stable coin options. So Binance Options are priced and settled in stablecoin, which makes cost and profit calculations straightforward for investors. Unlike coin margined options in periods of high volatility, stablecoin options allow investors to enter and exit positions stably and securely without having to worry about the nominal value of the underlying collateral drastically devaluating and competitive fees. Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world, working closely with sophisticated market makers to provide options traders with one of the lowest fees in the market. That is 0.02% transaction fees and 0.015% exercise fees, and low capital requirements. With Binance Options, traders only have to pay the required options premium to get the same exposure as holding an equivalent futures or spot positions. As such, options are a great way to make leverage trades due to the lower capital requirements. And now, one of the most important parts, how to trade Binance Options. So, first of all, you need to open Binance website, and you need to log in or register if you still don't have the account. Then you choose derivatives and then options. After that, you click register now to open a Binance Options account. Then click transfer to add funds to your options wallet. Then afterwards, choose between the different call and put options available to open a position. So call options give the holder the right but not the obligation to buy the underlying asset at an agreed upon date and time, while put options give the right to sell the underlying asset. And I mean, like, this is just some of general information what options are, comparing, for example, to the futures. And I mean, like, well, if you have the futures, you need to actually have the obligation to sell or buy them. So once you have selected a call or put option, the trading panel will be enabled. You can also click on the arrow to check for more market details, or click on the candlestick symbol to switch the trading interface. Then select order type, input price and amount, and click buy to open a position. Then to close the position, you have the choice to hold until expiration and switch to close mode. In the trading panel, select order type, input price and amount, and click sell, or click close directly under positions. So that's how it is. And there is one more thing that I want to share with you. Remember that I told you about the referral benefits and a super nice system of rebates. That's what I want to share with you. Yes, so actually celebrating the launch of Binance Options, Binance is actually introducing exclusive referral benefits for Binance affiliates who refer their friends to Binance Options. It is available since November to December this year, and all users who trade on Binance Options during this period will stand to enjoy 30% rebate of their options trading fees. And daily options will not be eligible for trading fee rebates, and Binance affiliates will not receive any trading fee commission from daily options trades as well. So start encouraging your referrals to trade on Binance options, while your referrals are still eligible to receive 30% rebate on their options trading fees and earn 30% in trading fee commissions for yourself. And alternatively, you may also share your standard referral link with a friend who is not registered with Binance and ask them to open an options account after they sign up for a Binance account and complete account verifications. And that's it. Pretty easy and pretty attractive. So you need to try it out and take the chance to have this rebate. I tell you thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you very soon. I wish you a super good day. I wish you a lot of money. Trade with Binance, earn with Binance, and actually pile up your money. That's the thing. Visit the links below this video. Have a good day.